Dear guests, we have landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. AirAsia welcomes you to Manila. Time now for your convenience, it's 9 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning. We are pleased to inform you that 30 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 4. And for your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments, and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain June Villas, first officer with us. Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, kalalapag po natin sa paliparan ng Ninoy Aquino. Oras ngayon ay 9 na minuto makalipas ang ika-10 ng umaga. Tayo po ay patungo sa Terminal 4 para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo hanggang aeroplano hindi pa ganap na nakahinto at kayo nabigyan na ng pahintulot na bumaba. Mag-ingat po sa pagkuha ng anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog mula sa overhead compartments. Bago po kayo bumaba, tiyakin na sa inyo na lahat ng inyong kagamitan. Sa karangalan ng kayo mapagsilbihan at inaasahan namin na muli tayo magkikita sa inyong susunod na paglalakbay. Sa ngalan ng AirAsia ni Kapitan June Villas, unang Official Ryan Goboy at lahat ng aming kasama, kami po ay malikod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. You were given infant life vests. Please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. Kindly ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you, and for any items or litter that you wish to dispose of, please bring it with you as you leave the seats. You may dispose it in the trash card provided near the exits. Sa mga mahanang panahon, pinag-uusapan namin ng lahat na tingnan ang ulo ng kompartamento at paligid na iyong upuan para sa mga importante. Area is strictly prohibited by the airport authority. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, habang bumababa sa aeroplano, mangyari